this one is sleepy if there is. What does this say? Care.
What does it say? Critical. So someone who judges. Look in there. I think there's a tired. Is that what you're looking for, like a sleepy?
Is that?
That's one of the blue ones.
Oh wait, do you mean there's a sleepy in here, or
Yeah, I think
does
there's a
this
tired.
mean sleepy?
No, critical means like...
Oh, tired. Sorry.
You find it?
Yeah. I wanted to do this one, but
Critical is like someone who's judging and like, no, you didn't do that right. You did that wrong. Do it again. Really critical would be...
this. No way. I just feel like she's a teacher or something.
Which one? Maybe.
I'm just gonna do that for now.
Good. So you've got tired. Let's look at some of the other words. We've got disappointed, embarrassed, lonely, worried, and bored. Any of those guys look bored?
Wait, these is two? I feel like this one kind of
I
looks
think you nailed
bored.
tired and sad for sure. And I think you got critical too. Yeah, that guy looks bored.
This
So who's left?
was
Disappointed.
Disappointed kind of looks like this
Yeah,
girl.
disappointed.
Actually, I don't know.
Embarrassed.
Between these two, I don't know.
Okay.
Embarrassed. It's kind of like this.
Yeah, she looks embarrassed. Lonely and worried. Who looks worried? Who looks lonely?
Disappointed. Lonely. Worried. Disappointed. This guy?
Let's see.
Or are these switched? Or are these switched or something?
No, I think you got it. That one's disappointed. Let's see. Yeah, that one's disappointed. And that is worried.
Oh, there it is.
Lonely. Let's go together. Yep, you got it. Lonely. So the hardest one was worried.
No.
Which was the hardest?
I feel like critical was kind of hard.
Critical. Okay. Good to know. Thanks for being my tester.